YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. How are y'all doing? Hopefully everybody's having a blessed, productive day and all is going into your favor. Today, we're going to be discussing Lane 7 clothing. I recently met Alexis at the Wallapalooza, and I believe it might have been an Impressions Expo or even at the Made to Hustle. I know I've met Alexis a couple of times, and I was taken back by her blanks. She actually sent me out a box of blanks, and I'm going to try them on for you guys so you guys can be the judge. We're going to unbox it and see what she all sent, and then we're going to try on the garments. And then I'm not sure if we're going to actually decorate one of them in this video, but if we don't, that video will be on the way, coming soon. But if you're ready, let's grit. Shout out to Lane 7 once again. The box has been pre-opened, but I just have to explain what's on top of the box first before we actually get into it. Once again, shout out to Alexis. So on here it shows their fleece shorts, their urban t-shirts, their full zip hoodie, crop hoodie, raglan sweatshirt, long sleeve sweatshirt, crew neck sweatshirt, raglan hoodie. Ooh. So we got a raglan hoodie and a raglan sweatshirt. Okay, all right. Joggers, deluxe tee. Now these are fleece joggers. I just said regular joggers. And the hoodie, the classic hoodie. So let's open up this box and see what's in here. So upon opening up the box, just so you guys can get a visual, you see that it's nicely packaged and there is a note from Alexis. Let's read the note. Looks pretty nice. Hi, Mike. So fun meeting you at Wallapalooza. Likewise, Alexis. Can't wait to work with you. Enjoy, XX Alexis. Hey, you know I'm going to enjoy. And I'm looking forward to seeing you at plenty more events and to have you on the Squad Creative Podcast. But let's get into this box and see what Alexis actually sent. Here's the card. Let's move her on out the way. Protective paper. Another piece of protective paper. Okay. So she didn't just send one shirt. Seems like she sent the package. All right. So the first thing I'm going to pull out the box is a white t-shirt. And I wear a size 2X. As you guys know, I've been on a weight loss journey. So your boy's trying to slim down. Trying to burn off all this extra baby weight, you know? It's Lane 7. Tearaway tag right off bat. Nice feel. Nice hand feel. Right off bat. This is the white color. All right. And 100% combined cotton 2XL. Hopefully my camera can get that. Bam. So now let's try it on. Hey. Now, right off bat, some things that I could tell you. It's a little bit snug. Now, your boy might be fluctuating in between the 2XL and the 3, so I'm right there smack in the middle. Some shirts fit me a little bit more close across the top, which I don't like because it kind of insinuates man chest, but not the manly man chest. I like how the arms do come all the way out. I'm liking that. The feel is very, very nice. Very soft feel. Heavyweight almost. Something I could definitely rock in the summer by itself or on a cold day with a light jogger on or a sweatshirt. But yeah, I'm not too mad. Let's step all the way back so you can see the lane. And I'm not ashamed to show my body, y'all. So if you're cracking, go ahead and crack. I know your boy is right now on the journey. But yeah, definitely like this feel. Definitely can't wait to put something on here. Yes, sir. It's not, you would think it's choking me, but it's not. It's actually comfortable along the neck. Let's try the next one. So this is the cream one, not to be confused with the white one. So if I hold the white up, and they're both 100% cotton, and they both got that superior quality feel. I like the way the neckline feels. I like the length on the arm. The only gripe is between my chest and my gut. It kind of shows all of that. And I know I need to tone it up a little bit. Don't come for me. But your boy's trying it out. All right, so this is a cream color. This is a white color. If I hold them next to each other, I'm not sure if you can see the differences in the camera. This is the iPhone, y'all, so it should show the quality. But yeah, next. So here's their black. Maybe it's because it's black. I don't feel like it's revealing as much of my chest, but then again, you can see sort of the tightness a little bit. But, you know, it could be me. I don't want to blame it 100% on lane 7 because, like I said, my weight is fluctuating. I take water pills, guys. I got high, hypertension, high blood pressure. So it's very important for me to watch my salt intakes and some of the dietary things that I eat and supplements I got to be careful with. But as far as comfortability, all of this is comfortable. Like, I could, you know, go travel across the country and not feel like I got a piece of cardboard on or something that's very stiff. I actually like the feel of this fabric. All right, we've tried the t-shirts out, which we had the tan color or a beige color or a yellow color right here. We tried on the white and also the black. Now, let's try some hoodies, see how they fit. All right, so to make it 100% fair, I didn't put a t-shirt on. This is just straight sweatshirt on skin. The feel, it feels great. Now, the actual way that it looks on my body, I don't think it looked too bad. And it's something definitely I can get jiggy with. That's my term. I know it's an old school term, but it's still my term. It's just so you can get the full body. I kind of like this feel a lot better. I like the snugness of a good hoodie. Hoodies to me should most definitely be a little bit more snug, especially where I'm from. I'm from Ohio, so a lot of times the winters get cold, very frigid cold. It'd be icicles all over your car and all over everything. So with that being said, I could get jiggy definitely with this hoodie. It's tapered to the arms, so it's not a lot of bagginess in the arms. The fleece is nice and soft. I like these, but I would love to see eyelids or some type of tape on the end of the ropes. But so far, so good. The actual hoodie itself. Don't crack on my bald head, y'all. I had to do this for the review, okay? Great feeling. It's double walled, double lined. It doesn't cover up too much of the face. I feel like I still got visibility when I'm walking, because you guys know I do a lot of walking. And I still got my peripheral a little bit blocked, but it's not all the way down like this. It's just right. It falls just right. So, yeah, not too bad. Definitely can't wait to throw some grizzly on here. You know it's going to be a grizzly vibes. Some type of grizzly wear. But yeah, let's try out that other hoodie. Same feel. This one does not have the drawstring. So there's definitely a difference on it. No pull string. So this is the non-string. This is double walled. It's kind of a different hood on this one. It's a little bit longer, not too much longer. Nothing I could be too mad about. Still got my peripheral vision. I can see what's coming. And the fit, let's get down to the fit. I like this one a little bit better. What I didn't do and what I needed to do was on the other ones I showed the tag that it was lane 7. I'm getting ready to make sure that I show the tag of this hoodie with the drawstring. See if it's the same fabric. No, this one's actually a little bit different. So this one that I have on is comparable to, I want to say maybe a lighter weight hoodie. There's no drawstrings, whereas this one has the drawstrings in it. This one, this Lane 7 hoodie has a nice soft inner fleece. This one also has a nice soft inner fleece. The material though for this one is 65% cotton, 35% polyester. Now the mix for this one, I have to take it off so I can show you guys. Give me a second. Lane 7, as you guys can see the pull tag. This one was 80% cotton, 10% polyester, 10% recycled polyester. So it's nice to see that they're doing some recycling, saving the earth, making it a lot more greener. And the hoods was different, definitely different between the two. So this has the like double stitch across the top of the hood. I don't know if you guys can see that. With the inner wall, this is more of a heavier set for like that deep setting in snow. This is for that brisk day. So this one doesn't have the double lining on the hood. It just has the one main stitch down the center of the hood. And no drawstring. All in all, Lane 7, you're doing your thing. Alexis, appreciate this gift. The only thing is I would like to mix and match some joggers or some pants or some of the other things that you guys do offer so I can give a full review over your entire catalog. I appreciate the gifts that you did send, and I am definitely going to be making some content over making some grizzly fit or one-of-a-kind customs with Lane 7 blanks. If you haven't, visit Lane 7 today. Head over, tell them Mike sent you. And all the shirts were, to me, I think the same. I'm going to read 100% combined cotton from Lane 7 right here. This was the black 2X. The white 2X from Lane 7, 2XL. 100% combined cotton as well, and I think that's what it was for the cream, but we'll triple check. Yep, combined cotton, 2XL cream. So once again, shout out to Lane 7. Let's wrap up this video, man. Yo, it was a pleasure being selected to try out some of Lane 7's clothing. Once again, shout out to Alexis Shubin. Hopefully I'm saying your last name correctly. If y'all like the materials that you just see me using, head over to lane7.com and, you know, purchase something. Get yourself a nice tee or one of the plenty hoodies that they have, or some of the joggers, some of the jogger fleeces that they offer, or some of the shorts. As always, break the sky with your creativity. Don't let nobody get in the way of what makes you, you. What makes you great, what makes you unique. All those attributes makes for a legend. A legend leaves a legacy behind for those to gravitate towards and become great on their own path as well. To everybody that's been support of me thus far, I greatly appreciate you guys. I know my videos have been far and few in between, and I can't really honestly tell you in the last time I did a live. Just know that your boy has been gritting as always and still gritting. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop a comment below. If you would like anything that I use in any of my videos, use the affiliate links down below. It helps the channel to grow just a little bit, and at the end of the day, it goes towards future things like new shops, new equipment, and or materials. But y'all, it's been great, and you know, like I always say, with all good things, this video must come to an end.